Hi beautiful. So this is खुशी डागर योर स्पिरिचुअल ओनली. तो जो आज की वीडियो होने वाली है वो थोड़ा लाइक यूजुअली जो हम चैनल पे डालते हैं उससे अलग है. एंड आई थॉट आई वाज प्लानिंग द वीडियो बहुत दिनों से, बट जब जिसके लिए मैसेज आना है तो वो उसके लिए आएगा. इट्स काइंड ऑफ आपको अपनी स्क्रीन पे 3 टाइल्स दिख रही होगी. एंड द टाइटल ऑफ द टुडेज वीडियो इज़ लाइक चैनल मैसेज फ्रॉम माई पर्सन. लाइक अगर तुम्हारे पर्सन, कोई भी स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, योर स्पाउस, योर एक्स, योर करंट पार्टनर, योर क्रश, वो क्या कहना चाहते हैं आपसे, तो विल गोना सी. तो यप, सो द वीडियो इज़ गोना बी लाइक काइंड ऑफ फ्री स्टाइल. तो इसमें मे बी हम चैनल मैसेज करेंगे, मे बी उनके साइंस करेंगे, एंड या वन स्पेसिफिक सरप्राइज़ आप लोगों को इसके अंदर सॉन्ग्स भी मिलेंगे जो वो चैनल करना चाहते हैं. एंड मे बी यूर थिंकिंग लाइक कैसे होगा, तो या मैं जो करने वाली हूँ वो होगा थ्रू लाइक देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ वेबसाइट, रैंडम सॉन्ग जनरेटर. तो उसमें वो लिरिक्स के साथ सॉन्ग्स जनरेट करते हैं. तो यू कैन जनरेट अप टू 5 to 10 सॉन्ग्स. तो या वी कैन नॉट रिलाई ऑन दैट जब तक मैं कार्ड्स ना बना लूँ सॉन्ग के रिगार्डिंग. एंड या सो सॉरी कि मैंने बहुत टाइम तक कुछ वीडियो अपलोड नहीं करी है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली माई एग्ज़ाम सीजन इज़ गोइंग ऑन, जस्ट ड्यू थिंग्स. एंड यप, मे बी वी कैन कॉल इट स्पिरिचुअल कि इतने दिनों से कोई वीडियो इसलिए इस वीडियो पे नहीं आया क्योंकि आई हैव ड्राफ्टेड द जो आपको टेम्पलेट दिख रही है, आई हैव ड्राफ्टेड दैट टेम्पलेट अ मंथ अगो. तो मे बी इसलिए आप बोल सकते हो कि द मैसेज जिसके लिए आना होगा उसके लिए आया है. एंड या वी गोइंग टू यूज़ आवर कार्ड्स टू. इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक मिक्स चैनल प्लस मिक्स. So yeah, you can select your pile. So yeah, pile description is like first we got Exo Kitty couple, very cute, very demure. And then we got When Life Give You Tangerine couple, so soulful. And last पे हमारे पास Twinkling Watermelon couple है, the chaos. Okay. तो यप, आई थिंक यप, मीट मी लाइक अब हम पाइल नंबर 1 से शुरू करते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू आर वंडरिंग लाइक व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग ओवर हियर, सो या मैंने वो पाइल्स ऐसा टेम्पलेट लगाई हुई है फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, लाइक जनरेट मोर बेटर मैसेजेस. Yep, so pile number 1 we're gonna start with you, the Exo Kitty couple. So yep, the song that I got for you is like Another Love by Tom Odell. You can go and listen to it, and I'm gonna read out some lyric for you. I wanna take you somewhere so you know I care, but it's so cold and I don't know where. I brought you daffodils in a pretty string, but they wouldn't flower like they did last spring. And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright. I'm just so tired to share my nights. I wanna cry and I wanna love. All my tears have been used up. Guys, I think इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं पढ़ने वाली हूँ. Go and search that song. And the another song for you is like Snap by Rosalind, and it's just like you have already listened it, like it's step 1, 2, where are you? Still in my heart, something like this. So the lyrics goes like, I can't turn my head off, wishing these memories would fade. They never do. Turn out people like this head, just snap your fingers as if it was really that easy for me to get over you. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? You're still in my heart. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you anymore. Get off my heart, cause I might snap. So yep. And third is the astronaut by Jin. So maybe some of you are like BTS armies. So yeah, hi armies. Again, maybe what I did was like pretty off. But yeah, I'm also like BTS. I also listen to their song. So you and me, history that will never end. Oh, you became my universe, our story like the story that flows without a destination. I was just drifting away, all my dreams severed in the dark. A story that will start anew when I'm with you, when I'm with you. So I think pile number 1, I think you guys are just like some kind of platonic relationship में हो तुम अभी जिस इंसान के बारे में पूछ रहे हो. And you guys like back and forth energy, like you guys go back and then you guys come back again and be together again, and like फिर कुछ होता है and then you guys snap out and then snap in, something like this, like very on and off, and you guys got like a powerful energy together, like very powerful energy. And I think you're kind of like you kind of act like mean toward this person, and the person is like very sweet to you, but you kind of act like mean. Yeah, they love admiring you guys. They love admiring you. And according to them, there are so many things that going on there in their head, and बहुत सारी चीज़ों में से कुछ सेंस भी नहीं बनाती हैं, just like they're there, the things are there and they're there just admiring you, and when they look at you they're like flood of emotions going on. It's strong like page of cups energy, strong page of cups. एलिना में भी नेम हो सकता है, एंड या मे बी सम बर्थडे कुछ हो सकता है, मे बी आप दोनों का बर्थडे मंथ सेम हो, एंड ऑल्सो मे बी यू गाइस हैव सेलिब्रेटेड योर बर्थडे विद हिम या फिर हिज बर्थडे विद यू, मतलब यू आर काइंड ऑफ टुगेदर ऑन सम बर्थडे, लाइक यू ब्लू कैंडल. But they really don't have any idea like what's going on with you. They don't know what's going on with you. And maybe they find out something about you जो कि उन्हें somehow trigger कर रहा है, और then they're blaming कि मे बी मुझे इतना overthink करके नहीं करना चाहिए था. Like the main quality of overthinker is that like when we just overthink ना, we find out so many things जो कि सही भी होती हैं, and हम we are not ready to face that thing, but due to our overthinking we are doing it. So some kind of this person doing this gelato, I don't know, gelato. Let's find out with the tarot. So yep. I think strong Elena name is somehow relevant for you. Elena. Oh, yeah. They wanna come towards you. Like they are coming towards you. Why they are heavily overthinking about you guys. They're like just heavily thinking about you and them together. Yep. They're like heavily thinking about you and them together. Maybe Rose हो सकता है किसी का नाम. And they are forming strategies to make an offer to you because you seem like very uninterested to them. Yeah, kind of तुम नहीं दिखाते हो पहला लेवन की what you are feeling towards them. So yeah, I'll gonna tell you the cards जो आपके आए हैं. We got the Chariot, we got the Hangman, we got the Four of Cups, the Star, Seven of Swords and the Emperor. So yeah, now we'll want to channel the messages जो भी ये person बोलना चाहते हैं या फिर they want to convey to you. So yeah, they have like lot of passion towards you, but they don't know where the passion is directed. Like they know they feel passionate towards you, but they don't know कि उनका जो passion है वो किस direction में move कर रहा है तुम्हारी तरफ. And they really hope कि तुम दोनों के बीच में चीज़ें ठीक हो जाए जो कि खराब हो रही हैं. Strong Aquarius energy, Aries energy. Yeah, Aquarius, strong Aquarius. They feel like they wanna rip their head off क्योंकि वो इतना overthink कर रहे हैं अभी. And they're kind of bother with your behavior जो भी आप उन्हें दिखा रहे हो अभी. They don't like it. They don't like it how you're acting अभी because you're acting so unbothered. Why you're acting so unbothered? What they did? What they did? Is it because of them? Guys, you don't believe the split. I got the Lovers and Eight of Swords. Yeah, maybe you guys don't wanna be tied up in a relationship right now, and the person you are asking about me, or you are जिसके लिए आप वीडियो देख रहे हो, दे आर लाइक काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, अगर उन्हें कोई पसंद आ जाए तो दिल गो बियॉन्ड द लिमिट्स, देखो ना, बियॉन्ड द लिमिट्स, और उन्हें अपने पास रखने के लिए सब कुछ ट्राई करेंगे, सब कुछ, एंड यू नो काइंड ऑफ हाउ पैशनेट दे आर, and you are afraid of that passion, you're afraid that being in love will tie you down. Matlab, why you think like that? But somehow I also think like that, maybe. But yeah, you lose your independence, you lose your tasks, you lose your routine, you lose your schedule, you'll get everything to that person. Yeah. Yeah, and you're so rude. Like, there's a kind of memes that is currently that I'm thinking, and they're not used to this kind of thing, they're used to जब उनके ऊपर लोग जाते हैं, मतलब लोग उनके लिए पागल रहते हैं, बट नाउ you flip the cards and you have the power over them, and they're kind of losing their shit कि how, like pile number one कब से इतना strong हो गया है कि he is just in so much power, and मैं उसके आगे helpless हूँ, and I'm just hoping and I'm just praying and I'm manifesting कि भगवान जी प्लीज़ हमारे बीच में चीज़ें दोबारा ठीक हो जाएं. They're like very disciplined, and you are kind of bothering their mind regarding this, and they are like very afraid कि are you seeing someone else, they are like afraid to the hell कि कहीं आप किसी और को तो देख नहीं रहे हो, आप किसी और को तो डेट नहीं कर रहे हो, क्योंकि they think like you are a lot of options and you're hiding that thing from them, you're not telling them, you're not being truly honest about who you are dating and what you want in future, you're not conveying the right thing to them, and that is kind of like be in their head कि कहीं आप किसी और के साथ तो नहीं हो, they are like pretty much afraid because you have changed, bro, you have changed, you were like properly पहले maybe you were like proper emotionally available person जो कि सब करने को ready था इनके लिए, or मतलब you are like ready to give everything at all to them. Now you have changed the behavior, now you are like just like no, I don't want that like kind of stuff, and I'm just like wanna be silent for me, and I just don't wanna act in a certain way with this person, and now yeah, and that why again the cards are tired, but they still wonder like what if you both like work out, the connection between you to work out, like how it's gonna be felt, it's gonna be too romantic if the things work like this. Then we got the chariot, the hangman, and the four of cups. So I think if they have left you for some another party, उनका उनके साथ भी अच्छा नहीं चलता. Like I'm not saying they're not in touch, they are in touch with them too, but उनको नहीं चाहिए वो, just like they are in touch है ठीक है बस, like kind of this energy. But it's pretty wrong, but they're more attracted to you, they more think about you, even they are with the third party, they think about you all the time. Maybe वो दूसरी सिटी से है, they are coming to your city to meet you, to want to talk with you, to want to clear the things with you, and they're really wondering कि like where the connection is going. We got the hangman. Hey, they're stuck with you. Maybe you guys listen to Stuck With You song with the जिसमें Justin Bieber है. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you, so lock the door and throw out the keys. I'm very terrible singer, but yeah, the song is for you guys. And now last we got the hangman. So the hangman over here, stuck with you. This card is showing me that stuck with you. They're stuck with past memories you guys are having. They're stuck with the connection you guys do have. And they are thinking like पहले कितनी चीज़ें अच्छी थी. पहले जो चीज़ें थी वो अच्छी थी, एंड देन कहीं ना कहीं से तो देर लाइक वेव ऑफ चेंज, द कनेक्शन इज जस्ट लाइक falling over, and they're not liking it, but they're not doing anything too, but they're thinking of doing it too. मतलब they're like kind of heavily overthinking about the stuff. They're stalking you too, guys, they're stalking you. Yeah, and they're thinking ki they're asking God to make something change. They're thinking यार उन्हें ऑफर भी कर दिया आपको, तो what are the chances कि you're gonna accept it? Because they fear that you're not gonna accept it. You're just like in your own energy, on your own bubble, and they kind of don't know if you guys like, guys, are you truly attracted with him? Like, do you truly like him? If you do, then show him that you like him. Because the person is just like on the urge कि बस तुम थोड़ा सा action, बस थोड़ा सा hint दे दो and they'll kind I love you. Kind of this energy. So yep, I'm gonna look for your advice. One advice for you guys, pile number one. Then was what is one advice for, I think I have to do one final message for you. One final message what the person wanna say to them. Yep. If they were not honest with you, na, if they were not told you about what is going on in their life, they're coming forward and they're gonna tell you the honest, the truth about everything, the truth about their failing situationships, the truth about how their friendship fall, the truth about how they're like not see them completely good for you. They're like how they become toxic. They're like a lot of story is coming from their side. And one final advice to my guy number one. Hi, sweeties. I think you're doing great. You are great, guys. You're great. You're great. अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है मैनी ऑफ यूर थिंकिंग कि अगर आ भी रहा है तो आए, मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है इसके आने से. Kind of this energy. You're not like affected by them now. Really good in power. Yep. I'm terrified of cups. Yep. It's just like, oh Jam, just like telling me the things. But it's okay because I'm more in my own world. बात तो करोगे यार अब इनसे, बात तो करने वाले हो. The truth is over here is just like face your emotions, pile number one. Like if you are doing this, जो भी अभी आपकी रीडिंग में आया है, if you're doing this with being like happy from inside and feeling your emotions and then you're behaving like this, well done. But agar you're behaving like this and it's from the ego, then you need to change. So the advice is clarify it, like it's from ego or are you really feeling that thing. Okay, so yep. Thank you so much, pile number one, and I hope you really like that reading. Please let me know if the things resonate with you. Now we'll move toward pile number two. Very cute. Okay, let's hi pile number two. So yep, I'm gonna generate some songs for you. Okay, pile number two, very cute and quitsy couples. So songs for you is just like Miss You by Oliver Tree and Robin Schools and Kill Bill by SZA. Oh my god, we got SZA. Oh my god. So first is Miss You. Don't remind me, I'm minding my own damn business. Don't try to find me. I'm better left alone than in this. It doesn't surprise me. Do you really think that I could care if you really don't like me? Find somebody else. It could be anyone else out there. Don't fret. I don't ever wanna see you, and I never wanna miss you again. One thing, when you're angry, you're a jerk, and then you treat me like I'm worth nothing. Don't fret. Dude, the Kill Bill by SZA. I'm still a fan even though I was salty. Hate to see you with some other girl. Know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. I got my therapist to tell me there's other men. I don't want none, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should have. No one should I might kill my ex. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pie number two, your person is just like, bro, they're gonna fight. They're gonna fight, bro. If you are with someone else and you broke up with this person for somebody else and you made them feel insecure, bro, लगा देंगे भाई ये उनकी. They're gonna fuck their, they're gonna fuck him. They're gonna fuck him. If you did that thing, they're like pretty angry. And they like act like nothing had happened. They like very casual with you and like, oh, you can go. But in deep down, then just like गुस्सा है उनमें बहुत उस चीज़ के रिगार्डिंग they're not showing you, but they're like sad, like how, why? They're asking like, are isn't it not good enough? Why you wanna go there? Someone named from M. Maybe you, maybe your person named from M. S. They're gonna beat their shit off. Are you dating a boxer, bro? Or a fighter? Or a wrestler? I don't know. Maybe they are in like some kind of sports. Maybe you don't know them completely. Maybe they act like very sweet in front of you, but off guard, they're like a villain, proper villain energy. Like they're gonna kill people for doing them wrong. And in their worst thought, they thought like if you did what they're gonna do. Because they're like very soft corner for you in their heart. But if you did wrong to them, what they're gonna do? Because they can't beat you up. They can't beat you. Obviously they do because they love you. They do. So they're gonna beat the other people. Oh my god. Oh my god, is this even real? Like pile number two. Guys, please let me know who this person is, bro. Just giving Wattpad romance, bro. Wattpad romance code. And it's Chanel song. Listen to me, Chanel something. They're not cute behind the scenes. They are cute, they're demure with you because you are demure. You, oh man. Someone named from L for lion, L. They were like very adventurous energy. Yep. They do gonna they go to different adventures and they wanna go to adventures with you. They like adventures. They like adventurous soul. That's why there's some kind of business that is like adventurous. It, maybe in some sports. Dude, I love this energy, bro. This person is so head over heels over you, for guys. They're like head over heels for you. They are. Maybe June is significant for you guys. June energy is so significant. First June. First June. Sagittarius, strong fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn. One more, I guess. आप में से कोई फाइल नंबर 1 से भी है शायद जो देख रहा है. You can watch two files if you feel like if one file's message is not enough for you. Just can watch two, it's completely fine. Okay. They feel so intensely for you guys. They feel so intense. Their thoughts are so intense, sexually and mentally. They feel so intense with you. They cry for you too. I don't know, suddenly I'm just feeling a wave of sadness. The connection is not going where they wanted it to. They fucked things up. They're very sad about it. I'm about to cry. And they hate when you demean yourself. They don't like it. Because according to them, you're just like this panty girls. They wanna hold you guys. But they hate it when you demean yourself. You shouldn't. You shouldn't. Don't ever cry in front of this person. It's gonna break their heart. If you have cried in front of them recently and it had break their heart. In front of you, they were acting tough. They were consoling you, but in deep down, they were ripped off. They were crying there. You don't know. After seeing you cry, they just cried the whole night. They're very sad. But they don't show it to the world. They want to show it to the world. They want to show it. It's gonna ruin their image. And they can't think. वो सोच भी नहीं पा रहे कि अगर ऐसा हुआ कि तुम उन्हें नहीं मिले उनकी किस्मत में तो क्यों नहीं भाई भगवान गलत कर देंगे उनके साथ. They wanna fight with God. तो like people अगर उनकी लकीर तुम्हारे हाथ में नहीं है तो वो लकीर बनाएंगे. They're like this crazy over you guys. I see the dynamic over here. I see guys what you are hiding. Maybe you liked someone else and maybe this person is your like kind of very good friend, or maybe it's just like a casual relationship. Yeah, maybe you guys are casual and you like someone else. And maybe you have confessed to that person. It doesn't even matter. And you just came to it. And he rejected you. And you won't tell to him that he rejected you. And you won't cry that I'm not good enough. Maybe अगर मैं थोड़ा good enough होती तो मुझे यहाँ कर देता. And this person want to beat that loser shit off. Because I know my pile number 2 is prize. And this person knows that you are a prize. So pile number 2, you are a prize, guys. You are a prize. Doesn't matter वो कौन था उसने ऐसा क्यों करा. But focus on this person, bro. भाई चांद तारे तोड़ के ले आएंगे ये. पागल है आपके लिए. पागल. Their all friend knows about you guys. Maybe you guys share some kind of same friend circle. Maybe don't. But their friend knows about you. Their friend knows about you. They know how deeply they adore you. You don't even know उन्हें कितना सुनना मिलता है आपके लिए. And then like कि pile number 2 is just like a small ऐसा प्यारा सा बेबी है और जो मुझे पूरी दुनिया से बचाना है. Like if you ever seen a father and a daughter dynamic, देखा है आपने. मतलब यूजुअली जब लड़कियाँ छोटी होती हैं, दे लाइक वेरी स्मॉल, तो देयर फादर वांट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम एवरीबडी. एवरीबडी. Same this person. Not I'm not saying they see their daughter. No, like they adore you on that level that they wanna protect you from each and everybody. Each and everybody. And they can do anything to make you happy. And if you're watching this being sad, you don't have to. Just tell this person that I'm sad, and they're gonna buy you stuff. They're gonna go on a shopping date with you. They're gonna make you a drink, make you a coffee, buy you a drink, something. They're gonna make you happy. I love this person energy, bro. I love this person energy. Now we're gonna see some final message. One final message from them to you. I'm loving this energy, bro. You see, there is like roller coaster of emotions. First there was like anger, and then the sadness, and now they're like happy. So the energy is like moving. Their emotions are running. You know, transition. Things are changing. The behaviors is changing. You are changing. I am changing. For you. And you would ask why? I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. And one final advice for मतलब उनकी तरफ से for the final messages, things are changing. They are changing for you. One last message. This person is far more better than the person you wanted to be with. So accept your fate. Don't juggle them because they hate juggling. I think the second person is from your past. So stop reminiscing about their memories. Stop thinking about him and focus on this person. This person is like hard to get gem, a real gem. So yep, I guess आज मेरे लिए pile number 2 के लिए इतना ही था. Now thank you so much pile number 2. If you resonated, please let me know. Your suggestions, your message helped me a lot to cater my reading more. And if you like any topic on I should make a video, please just let me know. Please let me know. I'm just waiting for you guys to comment. Okay, thank you. Okay, pile number 3. There's cutesy couples, twinkling watermelon couples. Damn, they love to irritate you. Oh my god, you wouldn't believe we got the lovers. You got the lovers. I can't show you the card, but yeah, you got the lovers. You guys are dating already. Now what do you want to know? You guys are dating. क्या बताऊँ मैं तुम्हें? डेट कर रहे हो तुम आपस में हैं? डेट कर रहे हो. क्या जानना है तुम्हें? तुम्हें जानना है कनेक्शन कहाँ जाएगा? डेट कर रहे हैं बट कहाँ जाएगा? कनेक्शन लॉन्ग टर्म जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा? यही यही है. या फिर दे वांट टू नो कि कनेक्शन कहाँ जाएगा. दे वांट टू नो कि कनेक्शन कहाँ जा रहा है. It's like very moody. It's like very moody person, guys. Oh, he dressed very good. Or she dressed very good. Take the other way, that's not it. Take it other way. Bro, they love to dress themselves up. Or they got a nice style. They're like more self-centered person, I think. They're like more focused on themselves. Very strange. Very strange. See, I can see the contrast between all the three readings. Oh my god. And this reading is just like the most fun energy among all the three. I'm like very fun loving person. I'm like very self centered, fun loving, The world's gonna see, baby. Who am I? What I do? Maybe they're a rock star. Maybe you are a rock star. Maybe they sing. Maybe you sing. Oh, guess what? What we got. And I was afraid that I'll get that thing. Hmm. We got Players by Koi Larry, and the song goes like, yeah, cause girls is players too. Oh, yeah, yeah. Cause girls is player too. Keep it player, baby, cause girls is player too. Bitches getting money all around the world, cause girls is player too. What do you know about living on the top? Penthouse suits, looking down on the hoops. Took him for a test drive, left him on the lot. Time is money, so I spent it on a watch. Hold on. Lit dash show. Through the white tee, you can see the dash pushing out. This is like 18 plus code. I can't read it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh, I'm looking for a nice, decent paragraph. What the fuck? It's so 18 plus, guys. We're not doing 18 plus on this channel. We may, but not right now. Maybe next reading could be an 18 plus, but not this. Not this. You can guys listen to the song up. Maybe watch their MV too. And we got Until I Found You, West Stephenson. Oh my god. Georgia, wrap me up in all your. I want you in my arms. I would never fall again until I found her. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. आपने प्लेयर को एक प्यार में डाल दिया भाई. And one more song that is extra for you guys, and I really wanna read it to you. Give It to Me, Justin Timberlake and Nelly Furtado. So lyrics is, is it going, is it going, is it going? I don't know what you are looking for, oh yeah boy, come on. I'm the type of girl that look you dead in the eye. I am real as it comes. If you don't know why I'm fly, I've seen you to try switched up, but girl, you ain't that door. I am the Wonder Woman. Let me go to get my robe. I am a supermodel in the morning. See me. Amnesty International got banned to Montauk on law. In the video, bro. Let's talk. Maybe you are a player. I got it wrong. Maybe you are a player and this person is kind of soft for you. Oh, dude. Your energy is just like next level, bro. Your personality is like next level. I don't know. I don't know why the energy is so just like happy and just like so light-hearted, but they still wonder what's going on. I miss Caitlyn, bro. You guys are so good together. And so I just like tit for tat couples. Oh my god. I fucking love this energy. So light-hearted. Okay. So the first card. Yep, yep. They are busy in their career. They are like, wait, dude. ड्रम प्ले करते हैं क्या वो ड्रम फिर मे बी सम आर्टिस्ट द पेंट द क्राफ्ट आर्किटेक्चर समथिंग architecture, but I'm seeing strong drum energy. Yep, baby. They love stalking you, girl. Girl. They love stalking you when you're not looking to them, and maybe that kind of energy is just like similar in the photo. Yeah, I think there's a lot of one more than yours. I think the lover flipped over again. Yep, very youthful energy. Maybe they are younger than you. They're strong Sagittarius, Aquarius, Taurus, and Virgo. Okay, I'll show you something and then see it as it real in the photo. So we got five of swords. Maybe you think the card is like pretty negative, but it is not. Look at the person. The person is looking at the other person when the other person is not looking at them. Similarly, in the photo, you can see the other person is not looking at them and your person is looking at you. Okay. Maybe they don't talk much because they always like fun and loving energy and they don't talk much with you or any other person as well. They show you that they're like very busy and they want to tell you that they're very busy. The connection is going on the verge of when I got yawn now. So that means according to me that the connection or the thing that you're asking is going to slow down. So maybe your connection is currently slow down or the connection is going to slow down very soon. Okay, and we got five of swords. The Hierophant. They want to distance your. They want to distance their self with you. They're pretty focused on the work. Maybe they're like, hey, see, maybe they're like pretty on the verge, like they're confused between you and their career. They don't know who they should prioritize, the love or the work. And maybe that kind of thing bothers you. Maybe that's why you're bothered where the connection is really going. Because you guys are dating, maybe from past 5 months, maybe from past 5 months to 8 months, and the energy is more piled up between. Maybe try to discuss the things with them, but they don't talk much. From 14 to 19 में के बीच में चीज़ें ज़्यादा हाई अप हो गई हूँ. Maybe kind of discuss the thing कि यार where the connection is going, we should discuss and we talk, but they don't talk much. एंड यू आर मोर बॉदर्ड कि वो तुम्हें छोड़ ना दे बिकॉज देयर काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेयर एनर्जी थी उनकी पहले, एंड यू काइंड ऑफ वंडर कि छोड़ तो नहीं देंगे शायद इसलिए तो कमिटमेंट नहीं दे। डोंट लिसन टू द अदर पर्सन जो भी आपके आसपास बोलते हैं आपको चीज़ें कि कमिटमेंट नहीं दे रहा तो छोड़ देना। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है। यू गाइस आर डेटिंग, यू गाइस आर नोइंग योरसेल्फ एंड यू गाइस आर kids, basically kids, 21 to 22. You don't need to figure out your whole life right now. Just enjoy. You're just here to enjoy yourself, love yourself. See, but they see this connection going towards the marriage. Maybe they don't tell you, but yeah, they see the connection is going to lead towards the marriage. And if you're thinking ki are they still searching for the best? No, they're not searching for the best. They know you're the best, and they're telling that you're the best. Yep, they know you're the best. And kahin na kahin the connection lacks balance. The connection lacks balance. Their life lacks balance. And they are working on it. So they just want to tell you that have faith in me. I'm not that kind of loser that will lose this pile number two piece. Look at you guys. I'm not gonna lose. They're gonna lose you. And they're not gonna lose you. Like very, you make the inner child happy. जितना आप इसको इमेच्योर समझते हो ना इस इंसान को, जितना तुम इन्हें प्लेफुल समझते हो, लाइक वेरी सीरियस. Thought maybe they'll go back to their ex. No, they're not. Like, they see a family with you guys. They see a family. They see a family building with you. They see like how perfectly you will gonna fit in the family. They see the connection going long term. So, by your overthinking, don't fuck the connection up. Please, don't fuck the connection up. Oh, I think I shouldn't wanna tell you this, but some surprise. They're planning a gift for you. Hey, are you all Geminis? Pile number two, your birthday is coming up. Pile number two, pile number three. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, you guys are Gemini. You guys are Gemini, maybe. My Gemini is happy birthday in advance. Yep, and yeah, they're planning on some gift for you. I'm not gonna tell what is it, but you're gonna love it. Tell me. You're gonna tell me? Yeah. Remember, bro, I think the person is just like, yeah, I know they, uh, um, the reading is like different from other pile. So I'm lost of words, I don't know. मेरे को नहीं बन रहे हैं शब्द में क्या बोलूँ तुम लोगों को, क्योंकि ये पर्सन को ज़्यादा बोलना पसंद ही नहीं है. एंड आप इस रीडिंग पे आए होगे सोच के क्लिक करने के लिए फाइनली कि मैं उनके बारे में कुछ सुनूंगी, बट मैं क्या बोलूँ जब वो बोलते ही नहीं है कुछ. वो देखो, इज लाइक वेरी किंग ऑफ सोर्स एनर्जी, पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. उन्हें पता है द कनेक्शन आगे जाएगा जाएगा, पता है. उन्हें पता है वो आपसे प्यार करते हैं, तुम उनसे प्यार करते हो, उन्हें पता है. उन्हें पता है वो कोई और बेटर के लिए सर्च नहीं कर रहे, उन्हें पता है. अभी वो करियर पे फोकस है, उन्हें पता है. बस बस और क्या, मतलब देर नॉट लाइक बीटिंग अराउंड द बुश, देर लाइक पॉइंट टू पॉइंट, वेरी पॉइंट टू पॉइंट एनर्जी. विल सी मोर कार्ड्स फॉर यू. Oh my god. They are worried that they'll not success on them. They will not succeed on them. And now you're like, hey यार, you just kidding us. वो पार्टीज में जाता है, खुशी वो पार्टीज में जाता है, तो मुझे पागल बना रही हो? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो बोलते हैं, नहीं, वो नहीं बोलते हैं. दे आर यूज टू कि लोग उनके पास आए, नॉट वो लोगों के पास जाए. वो नहीं करते हैं ऐसा, उन्हें बोलना पसंद ही नहीं है. नॉट ट्राई, दे नॉट ट्राई टू हिट पीपल. मे बी गाइस तुम पार्टी पे मिले हो, दोनों एक साथ किसी पार्टी पे मिले हो, या इफ योर बर्थडे इज, आई थिंक योर बर्थडे इज कमिंग एंड the surprise is they wanna throw you a big, I'm not saying it. Yep, okay. Guys, I'm tired of the lover card in your reading. मतलब not badly, but yeah, good in a good way. See, again, we got the lovers again. क्या है और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें, और क्या बोलूँ मैं, और क्या सुनना है तुम्हें, प्यार करते हैं वो तुमसे. ओके, we're gonna जो हर मैसेज में कर रहे थे, we're gonna see a fun and final message for you all. Trust this person. ठीक है, ट्रस्ट दिस पर्सन. दे आर नॉट द लाइक काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जो आपको ऐसे बीच रास्ते में छोड़ के चले जाएंगे. देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन इन देयर लाइफ. दे वांट टू कम्युनिकेट बट दे कांट. द कनेक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन नाइस हाइक्स, आई कैन सी. ये द मोर इज लाइक रीडिंग इज लाइक आपकी रीडिंग जो ज़्यादा आई है वो रेदर देन वट द पर्सन वांट टू से टू इट, लाइक what the connection is going towards, and maybe that is the question of you. Like you really want to know where the connection is going out, and yep, the connection is going and catching the nice vibes, and we're gonna see when it does for you. Oopsie, we got the cards. Yeah, form a routine, pile number 3. Form a routine, and the thing you are asking the God for so much time, the commitment you are asking the God, commitment दे दो, commitment मिल जाएगा आपको, सितंबर के मंथ तक मिल जाएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, यू गेट द commitment. एंड yeah, so I guess that's all. And thank you here. अगर आप अभी पाइल नंबर 3, thank you so much, and tell me if it resonated. Let me know in the comments, and please tell me the connection, कैसा connection जा रहा है. And yeah, I think that's it. I don't know how to end videos abhi tak bhi, because it's like third video on the channel, and yeah, we finally did it. So thank you so much guys. Yep, bye.